Hi Command Center users, Mallory Mitzler here to show you the latest changes made to CommandCenterHD as part of our Spring 2013 release. Now there are two parts to this release. There have been changes made to the Command Center user interface and also changes made to the module section. And we're announcing two new modules. Our Instagram module, which allows you to pull in pictures from Instagram as part of your digital deployment, as well as an RSS publisher module, which allows you to create your very own RSS feeds and pick what days you want your stories to show up. Both of those modules, the Instagram and RSS publisher, have more in-depth videos, and we provided those links below this video. But first, I want to show you the UI changes that have been made to CommandCenterHD. The first change that's been made as part of our UI update has been done within Media, Templates, Campaigns, and Channels HD. Now when you open up each of these sections and click the Add button, and again, this is if you add templates, campaigns, or channels, you can enter in your information and click the Enter or Return key to automatically save whatever you have created. You can also hit the Escape key to exit that pop-up. On the Campaign HD level, there have been guides added to the slide editor. So now when you go within your campaign slides, you can choose to utilize both a vertical and a horizontal line grid. If I click on the grid icon at the bottom of my screen and it looks like a jail cell, it's going to populate these two options at the top here for a vertical bar and for a horizontal one. These bars allow you to have assets on your slide snapped to them for placement. So here, if I want to place my image towards this top left-hand corner, you'll notice that as I go closely to it, it's going to snap to. And you can add multiple ones of these lines. So if I need to line it up to the bottom as well, I can do that. Once I click Save on my slide, additional slides that I add or have already added into this campaign will have those same line grids applied to them. In addition to these line grids, if I double click any of my media assets, it now populates the option to remove that particular asset from the slide. You can of course still do this with text boxes. The other place to remove assets from a slide are down within the layer section, where you see that small red X. Within your layer section, it will also show you how many assets you're using and how many you have available. For example, for most accounts, you will be able to utilize 2 image assets in 1 video per slide as part of a hardware restriction. However, if you have certain types of players, they may allow you to have up to 10 image spots. Next, I will walk through the changes that have been made to some of our existing modules and show you the modules that have been added. First, Globalcast has had a facelift. Now when you go into the Globalcast module and click to add a campaign, you will see that same pop-up that has been added to Channels HD. Here you still select your campaign from the drop-down and can choose your scheduling options right within this pop-up. And when you need to save, just hit that Enter key, or to exit out of the screen, hit Escape. The Redcore module, if you are currently using Redcore, has also had a change where you can now schedule Redcore content to your channels directly through the module itself. Just hit the Assign Redcore to your channels and it's going to pop up your available channels and you can select to enable Redcore on any of them. Once you check to enable Redcore, simply click your playback options and then hit Save Channel. The RSS module is the one I referred to at the beginning of this video, will allow you to create your very own RSS feeds. There is a more in-depth video and we provide that link below. You can create RSS feeds and set which days you would like them to play back, and then save. The URL that's generated can be used within your templates, campaigns, as well as on your website. The Instagram module allows you to pull in images using hashtags. Once you click to open up your Instagram campaign, here you can pick where those images will be pulled in and click Save and Select Photos to pull in the photos that you want. If you have any questions about any of these features or the changes that have been made, or are interested in getting upgraded, you can email us at support at industryweapon.com or give us a call at 877-344-8450.